updates. Oh, I missed many days to upload because I was totally uh, focusing 100% on sending emails and cold calling. So here they think cold calling is not easy, and cold email is not easy, and uploading every day is not easy, especially you start to building something. For this reason, you need to. I start to think about I need to upload something. Upload uh, added value to you, and instead to just upload a random video. So here's the thing. I'm thinking about it. I'm working about it, but I will do my best to change the routine. Instead to every day uploading a video about me in uh, here at the office. Why not? Add something else, like my routine when I wake up in the morning, and in my way this office. I mean, what I do since when I wake up every day, when I go to gym or go to running or do sport, workout. What I should do? I should share it with you. The kind of building a new system, and that next videos would be totally different. I will focus on adding a value, trying to talk to you and build a system that I talk to you normally without script. Like imagine that. Now I just open this camera and talk without any script, because the previous videos I totally was tied by script. There is a point I need to expressing about them, but I mean to talk normal to people, you need to practice. The only way is a practice. Practice with you, normal way. In this case, I'm doing it. Every day I need to make 100 outreach. Separated between cold calling, cold email, and DM, cold DM. 100. In cold DM, I will need to pick platform. So I decided to pick platform which is LinkedIn, and mastering LinkedIn to mastering my profile and reach out the people. This is the first thing. The second thing, I need also to have a second platform which will be Instagram, and reach them out. So those are things I decided to do. Cold calling is not easy because usually you will not get the business owner or decision maker phone number. So you need to go to pass gatekeeper. For this reason, you first need to build a prospect sheet, approximately 100 or 1000, and every day try to reach 100 of them. This will help you to mastering cold calling, mastering how to handle your emotion of rejection, projection, whatever. And this moment will help you to mastering these skills, because there is a skills, but those skills, if they still in papers without applying them, worth nothing. Yeah, it's nothing. So see you.